So if you want to let your visitors download certain files or so, then you can also add in a file section where you can add in documents and other things that they can download. To do that, simply click on add section right over here, and then on the left side you have the file section right over here, as you can see. So once you go into the file section, you can choose from different layouts right over here. So simply click on them and it'll be over here just like that. So you can add in many files as you want, many file links as you can see. So simply go over here, you can work around with the header title, the header subtitle. You can add in a header paragraph over here, add in media, that is a picture right over here to make it look a bit fancy right over there just like that. And you can also work around with header buttons as you can see to take it to a different page right over here. There's footer paragraph and footer buttons as well. But over here, you can see that there's file name. You can add in more files as well. So there are 4 files now. And in order to link out the download section right over here, you go on to the individual list section right over here, and then you go on to the download link. Before that, you can also see that you have the file name that you can give. So you can say something like, let's say, for example, a video or something. You can add an item subtitle, item description, or media. So over here, this is where you link out the file. So you simply go on the button section on the download link. And over here, you can link it to different pages, even if it says download right over here. Like you can give a particular web address where you can add in your download link for a particular file, or choose the document that is within your Wix files as well. So there's different option as you can see, and that is how you can work around with the download option right over here in the file section. You can also go into design and choose different sections, such as this one, as you can see, which is more like a horizontal list right over here. You can also go to design and work around with other options right over here, as you can see. And that is how you can work with the file section inside of Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.